Question 6, the table represents function f. And then, so we've got function f here represented by the table. And then down here, if g of x equals 4 times the square root of x minus h, which statement is true? So all of these appear to be talking about both the x-intercept and or the y-intercept. So from the table, we can see the f y-intercept very easily. The y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So this is the y-intercept for f. And then the x-intercept is when y is equal to 0. So there is the x-intercept for f. So now we need to find both the x-intercept and y-intercept of the g function. So let's first find the x-intercept. So we're going to set y equal to 0 and solve for x with this equation right here. So remember, this equation we can rewrite, instead of g of x, we can rewrite it as y equals 4 times the square root of x minus 8. We're going to set y equal to 0 and solve this for x. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And then we're left with 4 times the square root of x equals 8. Divide both sides by 4. This gives us 2. So then we get the square root of some number equals 2. Probably solve this without doing the last step. But let's do it. The opposite of square rooting something is squaring something. So these are going to cancel, and we're going to be left with x equals 2 squared, which means x equals 4. So the x-intercept is 4 for the g function. So let's go ahead and see if we can answer this one real quick. So this is saying the x-intercept of g is equal to the x-intercept of f. Well, that's not true, because one is 4 and one is 16. This one, next one says the x-intercept of g is greater than the x-intercept of f. It's also not true, because one is 4 and one is 16. So that means we know the answer deals with our y-intercept. So here's our y-intercept for f. I'm going to relabel that. To find the y-intercept, we're going to set x equal to 0 and solve for y. So we're going to rewrite the equation as y equals 4 times the square root of x minus 8. We're going to replace x with 0. 4 times the square root of 0 is 0. 0 minus 8 is negative 8. So the y-intercept is negative 8 here. So that means they are not equal. But the last one makes sense. The y-intercept of g is less than the y-intercept of f, since negative 8 is less than negative 4.